we will do which number comes in between. Our first number is 44. Then we write here 46. What comes in between 44 and 46? 44, 45, 46. Yes, 45 comes in between 44 and 46. 45 already written here. Our next numbers are 47 and 49. What comes in between 47 and 49? 47, 48, 49. 48 comes in between 47 and 49. Our next numbers are 1 and 3. What comes in between? 1, 2, 3. 2 comes in between 1 and 3. Come in this line. Our next numbers are 85 and 87. What comes in between 85 and 87? 85, 86, 87. 86 comes in between 85 and 87. Our next numbers are 14 and 16. What comes in between? 14, 15, 16. 15 comes in between 14 and 16. Now, our next numbers are 62 and 64. What comes in between 62 and 64? 62, 63 and 64. 63 comes in between 62 and 64. Come in this line. Our next numbers are 97 and 99. What comes in between? 97, 98, 99. Yes, 98 comes in between 97 and 99. Our next numbers are 29 and 31. What comes in between 29 and 31? 29, 30, 31. 30 comes in between 29 and 31. Our next numbers are 57 and 59. What comes in between 57 and 59? 57, 58 and 59. 58 comes in between 57 and 59. Today's class is over. Thank you.